Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make raining down see-through text on footage you have shot. In After Effects, create a new composition and make it 10 seconds long. Drag in the clip of footage you are going to be using and select the part of it that you want. Once you've got your footage where you want it, put some text on your screen saying whatever you want it to. Make sure your text is over the part of the video that you want to see. Once you've got your text where you want it, come down to toggle switches/modes, and on the clip, change the track matte to alpha matte to your text. Once you've done that, select your text layer, come up to Effects and Presets, and search up Rain. Come to Animate In, and put the raining characters in effect to your text layer. You can go ahead and change all these settings on the raining characters, but I don't like to because the settings are just fine. To make this look even better, come up to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle over your whole entire screen. Turn off the stroke, come up to Fill and make it black. Now trim this shape layer to only one frame. We did this just so you don't see any of the letters before the clip plays. You can add as much as you want to this, but to export it, come up to File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. Select where you want to export it to under Output to, and then hit Render. And there you go. You've just made an awesome raining down text animation in Adobe After Effects. If this tutorial was helpful and you liked it, I'd really appreciate you liking this video and subscribing. Well, see you next time.